At Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort, we spend the day, moving from challenge to challenge, climbing the rock wall, lining up shots in archery and target shooting, and laughing as we take turns at axe throwing, then shifting pace as the sun lowers. And we gather at the Nakoro Cultural Center to watch the Beqa Warriors walk on fire and share their stories, before heading out to the sand dunes for a guided adventure, and ending the night in the ocean, snorkeling under the dark sky. Every moment flowing into the next, a full day of action, culture, and connection, all in one place.